I had an idea to make my reusable state machine hierarchical. And guess what? It worked. Let's have a look. In my non-hierarchical state machine, each state starts upon the emitting of some dedicated signal, calling the switch state function in the state manager. Now we may want the jumping to be different if it happens after idle mode, walking mode, or running mode. In this setup, we need to create new jump states for each one and dedicate new signals for their initiation. This quickly gets dirty and unmanageable in complex systems. The solution to this problem is to make the state machine hierarchical, making the special jump states the children of the main root jump state node. In order to make it work in my specific setup, I have implemented some special editor property called the state hub. Of course, its array version is using the state class. This is how it works. Each state hub consists of two lists, a list of all the states in the system and a list of all the direct child states of the selected state node. Choosing walk and walk jump in the lists means that instead of the jump state, we want the walk jump state to be initiated if the previously activated state is the walk state. This way, without touching any code, you can activate the specialized states based on what the previous state is. As you see, the system is working as expected. You may now wonder if the hierarchy can have more than one level. Of course it can. Adding another nested state, let's make it happen if the previous state is idle. Inside the root jump state, we make it activate the run jump state, and inside the run jump state, we make it activate the special run jump state. As you see, the jump and run jump states are ignored and the system is directly switched to the special run jump state. I'm proud to announce that the main core of the ReuseLogic Nexus is implemented. Now I should re-implement the sender-receiver system discussed in the previous videos to make it compatible with the brain system. And I should also create a bunch of reusable handy modules for the add-on. Leave a comment if you have any ideas for useful reusable modules. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the official tutorials for the ReuseLogic Nexus. Thank you.